Pi Makina is the biggest construction and earth-moving machine manufacturer of Turkey. Pi Makina operates with its two factories located in Ankara with total area of 800,000 square meters and has more than 1,000 qualified staff. Today, over 10,000 Pi Makina products have been sold all over the world for 50 years. Pi Makina provides high-quality products with affordable prices and high-level after-sales service to its customers. The current product range of Pi Makina are tower cranes, concrete batching plants, crushing screening plants, and concrete pumps.